Hello guys! Welcome back to Staff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk about how to send money through Gcash app. If you really need to send money to your family, friends, or loved ones, and you're not so sure on how to do it in just one tap, then Gcash will get you covered. So now to start with, open the Gcash app and now you're in the home page. So as you can see, there is an icon send, load, transfer, bills, borrow, Gsave, G insure, G invest, G life, A plus rewards, G forest, and to rest. So now since you're going to send money, just tap this send. Okay, and if you're going to send money into the Gcash account of the person whom you want to send to, then you can click this express send. Okay, so all you need to do is just to enter the Gcash name of that person or the Gcash number of that person. Okay, so that's so easy. Alright, so the next is when you are going to send the money through bank transfer, then you can also do that just tapping this word transfer. Okay, and after that you have now your choices of the banks where would you like to send the money. Let's say, for example, we are going to send the money through BDO. Okay, so as you can see guys, there is a word amount here where you are going to input the amount of the money and of course the account name of that person and his or her account number. Okay, and after that, as you can see, there is a button send money, so all you have to do is to click that. Okay, so the next way on how to send money is through Gcash Padala. Okay, so just click that and click send a padala. Okay, so over here guys, you have to enter the details below, the number or the name of the person. Okay, the first name, the middle name, the last name, and of course the amount and your message if you have a message to that person. Just make sure guys that when you're going to fill it out, just make sure that these informations are correct. Okay, so that they are they are going to withdraw the money, so it is already no hassle for them. Okay, so there you go guys, this is on how to send the money through Gcash app. So if you want to know on how to send money through Gcash app, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to send money through Gcash app, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!